Hey everyone, Alex here with a sample of our glitter transfers, and I'm going to show you how to apply these in a few simple steps. Let's go over the specs on these transfers before I show you how to press them. To find them, go to Heat Transfers from the home page and search glitter, or you can click on Digital Screen Printed Heat Transfers on the left-hand menu and scroll to the formula. Our full color glitter transfers are made by blending glitter particles into the ink that we use to print your design. They make super cute shimmery prints and can capture fine lines, details, gradients, text, and photorealistic imagery thanks to the hybrid printing method that we use to make them. Their starting price is at $24.35 per 11.5 by 18-inch gang sheet. And these are printed in CMYK, so you aren't limited by the number of colors. Remember, we have the best user-friendly mockup generator for gang sheets out there, and it's available for free when you sign up, so don't miss out. You can also view all artwork requirements on each formula's product page. We offer artwork services as well at an extra cost. Now, let's get to pressing. First, set your heat press to 300 to 320 degrees Fahrenheit. I set mine to 320 degrees since the t-shirt I'm using is 100% cotton. And of course, I'm pressing on a youth super soft apparel t-shirt. Lay your design down where you want to print it. Make sure your pressure is set to 60 psi on an automatic machine or 8 to 9 heavy pressure on a manual machine. Then you're just going to press for 10 to 12 seconds and wait a couple of minutes for it to cool down before peeling. And easy as that, you have a super cute glittery tee in just a couple of minutes.